So you want an all-new Silverado, but you're not sure if the gas mileage is simpatico with your bank account. Well, Chevrolet introduces a new turbocharged gas engine on this next-generation Silverado, delivering 20 mpg in combined city and highway driving for a four-wheel drive model. Standard on the LT and RST mid-trims, the 2.7-liter four-cylinder produces 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque, besting the output of the V6 it replaces. Chevy says it's been specifically developed for truck applications and is engineered with their most advanced valve train, including their first use of active fuel management on a four-cylinder engine, shutting down two cylinders in light load conditions. Another first for a Chevy truck is the use of an electric water pump. Stop-start technology paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission furthers efficiency. Chevy says this turbo produces a broad, flat torque curve and quick throttle response, satisfying the performance enthusiast as well as the frugal-minded. The 2019 Silverado's propulsion lineup now includes 6 distinct powertrains, including 4, 6, and 3 different 8-cylinder options, as well as a diesel. The 2.7-liter turbo is rated at 19 mpg city, 22 highway. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.